Next question, question number 3. Form the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find a solution by substitution method. So by substitution method means just like the question number 1. But here the linear equations are not given. Some sentences are given. So by reading these sentences we have to make the linear equations. Okay. After that we have to solve that equations also by using substitution method. So if the method is mentioned in the question, you should use that particular method. You cannot use any other method. Okay. So the first question, the difference between two numbers. So in this question, two numbers saying about two numbers, right? So the difference between two numbers is equal to 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. The numbers are not given. It is telling about two numbers. We have to find that two numbers. Difference between that two numbers is equal to 26. So we can take, let the first number be x and the second number be y. Okay. So in the second sentence it is given that one number is 3 times the other one. So one number should be the 3 times multiple of the other number. I took first number x and second number y and such that second number is greater than first number, that is y greater than x. I took it like this. Okay. So y greater than x means y should be 3 times of x. So I am making the second relationship first. Y is equal to 3x. Put it as equation number 1. So this is the y is the greater number. So difference between these two numbers, greater number you should write first. Y minus x is equal to 26, which is also given in the question. Now we got two linear equations. Next we have to find, put y value already given. So no need to calculate y value again because in the first equation already we have y value. So I am substituting this y value in the equation number 2. Instead of this y we can write 3x, right? So 3x minus this x which is equal to 20x. 3x minus x is equal to 2x which is equal to 26. So x is equal to, we will get this 26 divided by 2, 13. So I am substituting this value of x is equal to 13 in equation number 1. So 3 into x. So 3 into, what is the value of x? 13. So 3 into 13 is equal to 39 should be y. So now we get y is equal to 39. So actually what we have to calculate the numbers. Numbers are x and y, right? So x is equal to first number is equal to 13 and second number is equal to 39. This is the final answer. Next, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeded the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. So supplementary angle means the sum of the two angles should be equal to 180 degree. That is the meaning of supplementary angles, right? You learn in the lower classes. So I am taking larger angle is equal to x and smaller angle by, and sum of these two angles should be equal to 180 degree because it is supplementary. So I can write here x plus y is equal to 180 degree because sum of these two should be equal to 180 degree because it is, since it is supplementary angles. And the larger of two angles, the larger angle is exceeded the smaller by 18 degree, right? So larger angle is exceeded the smaller by 18 degree means difference of these two angles. So we can write sum should be 180, difference x minus y should be 18. From these two equations, from first equation we can find x. X is equal to this 180 minus y. Substituting this value of x in the equation number 2. X is equal to 180 minus y, right? So 180 minus y is equal to 18, substituting here. So minus y is equal to minus 2y is equal to this 18. 180 comes on the right hand side. 18 minus 180 we will get, which is equal to minus 162 degree. So y is equal to this 162 minus 162 divided by minus 2. Minus cancelling, 162 divided by 2 is equal to 81 degree. Now we got y is equal to 18 degree, right? Y is equal to 81 degree, right? So we can put the value of y in each of either of this equation. I am putting the y is equal to 81 in the equation number 1. So x plus 81 is equal to 180 written here. From that we can find the value of x. 180 minus this 81 which is equal to 99. So x is equal to one angle that is equal to 99 degree and y is equal to smaller angle, that is equal to 81 degree. So the angles are 81 degree and 99 degree. This is the question. Okay. Next, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. So number of bats is equal to 7, number of balls is equal to 6. 4 rupees. Together it is 3800 rupees. Later she buys 3 bat, again 3 bat and 5 balls, rupees 1750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So bat cost, each bat and ball cost we don't know. So we can assume that cost of one bat is equal to x and ball, I am taking here the, let the cost of a bat and ball be x. So bat cost is equal to x and ball cost is equal to y respectively. Okay. So 7 bat and 6 balls. So 7 into x, 7 bat plus 6 balls, 6 into y should be equal to 3800, which is given in the question, putting it as equation number 1. Next, in the second step of the question, 3 bats, that is 3 into x, plus 5 balls, 5 into y, because these are the cost of one bat and ball. So we are multiplying with the number of bats and balls, and summation should be equal to 1750. From these two equations we can find x and y just like the previous questions. Okay. So from one we can find y. Y is equal to 3800 minus this 7x divided by this 6. Substituting this value of y in this equation number 2, 3x plus 5 into, instead of y we can write 3800 minus 7x divided by 6, which is equal to 1750. Next, normal calculation, take the LCM and cross multiplication, whatever the calculation needed. After that we will get the value of x is equal to 500. Correct. So after that, substitute this value of x is equal to 500 in either of these two equations. I am substituting it in the equation number 3. So we will get y is equal to 3800 minus 7 into x is equal to 500, right? So 7 into 500 divided by this 6. Okay. So after calculation we will get y is equal to 50. So x is equal to 500, y is equal to 50. What is x and y? X is the cost of bat and y is the cost of ball. So hence the cost of one bat is equal to this x, which is equal to 500. Cost of one ball is equal to y, which is equal to 50. So this 550 are the final answers. Okay.